Hi folks, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an AM-FM-8 track out of a 71 Chevy Chevelle SS. This comes from Nick in Schererville, Indiana. Nick has requested, of course, the modern internal conversion wired to the original connector so we don't get that big increase in output power, but we got output power equal to the original electronics, which can be used with the car's existing speakers. He's also requested the Bluetooth and USB options, and also my cool master input output box that has your 4-channel preamp outputs and your aux input. So we're here to make sure it all works before we send her back. I've got it set to the one strong station I get at the moment. And one thing right now I just have a wire going out to the antenna, but the antenna is not up because I'm doing a lot of work on the house, so I've got the antenna down at the moment, but we can still pick up low enough to demonstrate the radio. So here's our AM, and I'll demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions during this.
And I subscribe to his email every day. President Trump cannot institute tax cuts by himself. That's up to Congress.
Alrighty.
He can sign
balance adjust.
Whoops.
Starting with tax cuts.
Okay, that was accidental. We'll wait for that to time out.
Balance set.
Okay, let's adjust the virtual front-rear fader. We're going to need a little meter for this.
Has to be the one to move on taxes.
Okay. Front-rear fader.
Can't do it by himself. You're precisely right.
Fader adjust.
Okay.
One thing that
all the way
can
front.
Do for yourself, by
all the
yourself,
way rear.
is what I've done.
Front.
I'm so excited to tell you
Rear.
that I'm on my way. A 50-pound weight loss goal, and I'm 5 down.
Okay.
Fader set.
Okay.
Ladies and
Left,
gentlemen,
right, balance.
following my PhD weight loss.
Balance adjust.
And I've committed to them.
All the way
that I'm
left.
not gonna step on the scale again until
Right.
Friday morning.
Left.
I get to give you an update. But
Right.
I can already tell you, I
Okay,
feel
you can tell we got
Balance
trouble with the antenna
I've
there.
already pulled it a rung tighter. You know what it feels
Okay, let's
like?
redo the balance because I messed it up.
Folks, PhD weight.
Balance adjust.
It's super easy for you. They customize the plan. It's all inclusive and in one price. In fact, 80.
Balance
Set.
set.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Guys, I know the one thing.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Make sure it plays music on a USB stick. Don't need this stuff anymore.
Help make this, frankly, idiot-proof. I need.
Having fun, driving my classic ride. Got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69.
Mention my name.
Okay, there's that. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, which on this radio we hit the rightmost button that puts it into FM mode.
My grades were bad. He has for you. Lean on the Lord, my friend.
Okay, there's
and
FM.
He will give
Okay,
you
let's try the 8-track.
faith that will see you through the toughest of trials.
Full of chicks to get out and mix. I said that life's worth the living. Just for all that I can see. Whoa, I'm related to old King Cole. You're the answer to lonesome town. I'm a prehistoric man. I go 8. Now I'd like
Okay.
my shirt.
But that's
Pull
all
the
right
tape out,
news.
and the radio comes back. Now, one thing I'll say about this particular model, it does have an eject button, but it has a downward slant. It's got an angle, so when you push it straight in, it's going to want to go downward. So this takes pretty good amount of force to mechanically eject the tape out. I recommend not using the eject button because it's possible that you can break it. These buttons are brittle after 50, 60 years of summer and winter cycles. So if you can pull the tape out without using the eject, that's better. But I'll go ahead and use the eject just so you can see that it works.
Now I know the
Government shutdown
And there's
that
that.
would kick in after the March 14th deadline.
Okay, so let's turn it off. Make sure the dial lights work. I always replace the dial lights. Now this one on the bottom goes out when you insert a tape. It won't do it now, but this one goes out when you insert a tape, so it's not heating up your cartridge. So that takes care of it. Other than my funky antenna arrangement, the radio's working fine. It's my antenna that's at fault. I'm going to be fixing that soon as part of the home repair projects. When I finish that, then I can put the antenna back up. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And from that website, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order is for. It has all my options and prices listed, including options for turnaround time. It's going to save us both about 15 minutes on the phone, which keeps me on the bench where the work actually gets done. So please observe that. My need to be on the bench as much as possible. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Nick, for your business all the way from Schererville, Indiana, and we'll see you guys next time.